Not done yet?
Nope. They just got the first stage started.
No way.
Yeah.
Dad.
What?
I love you.
I love you too.
Can you see me?
Yep.
Can I see you?
Nope.
Why?
Because you need to rest.
I know I need to rest. I need to put my hands down and my head back and take a nap.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yep.
Alright. That's all I like to hear. Good night.
Good night.
Love you.
I love you too.
Thanks for coming.
You're welcome.
Hey, bud.
How's it going?
I heard you're having a good time.
Oh, I'm having a good time, alright?
You are?
Yeah.
Good.
Hell yeah. Show me your tits. I'm just messing around.
Hey, quit.
I know, I'm so
Quit.
high.
Tell her you're sorry.
I'm sorry, man. I didn't mean to say that.
Dad, do you think?
No, I'm good. Thank
You
you.
guys give me an extra dose. This is crazy. I ain't never heard nothing like it. Get this on Snapchat. Yeah, it's just me and you?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
You be respectful when women come in.
I know, I'm sorry. I'm so high right now, I'm having. I'm gonna go on school tomorrow?
I don't think so, buddy.
Cool, alright, send me over to UC?
Probably in the morning they are.
Alright, bet.
Hey, Mark.
Hey guys.
How you feeling?
Pretty good.
I heard you were feeling good.
Yeah, sorry for what I said earlier.
Oh, I wasn't in here. Did you say something mean?
Yeah, I said something. I told her to show me her tits. I didn't mean to, you know? It was just out of instinct. I'm so in pain right now.
You're so in pain?
I mean, I'm not in pain. I'm just high.
Yeah.
Am I going to be alright?
You got a cool rod in your leg.
I got a cool rod?
Mm-hmm.
Woohoo! Rod! Rod's going to be shot!
Can you wiggle
Daddy
your-
taking a video of this?
Can you wiggle
Oh,
your
yeah, this
toes?
getting 2,000 shares on Facebook. Yeah, I can wiggle my toes. Can you feel them?
Yep. Can you push down on my hands?
Hell yeah, I can push down on your hands.
And bring your toes to your nose.
Hell yeah, I can bring my hands to my nose.
Your hands to your nose.
Hell
Nose
yeah.
to your nose.
Nose to my nose? What the hell? What you want me to do with that, girl? My bad. How long till this medication calms down?
What?
How long till this medication calms down?
I don't know. Could be a little
I'm
while.
so hyper right now.
Your dad's just gonna be.
Tell her how you was gonna dunk on people.
Oh yeah, I was gonna dunk on people, alright?
You were?
Give me a hoop, I'm dunking on people. Woo-wee! Oak Hills varsity, baby!
I'll see you in a little bit.
Love you.
Thank you.